Hey guys, so quick and honest review on this Magic Bullet blender. This Magic Bullet kit comes with a 250 watt motor base, the cross blades, a tall cup, a short cup, and a party mug or a smaller cup. It comes with 2 lip rings and 2 Stay Fresh resealable lids, which is great if you prepare any kind of sauce or whatever. You can store it in the container. And 1 to-go lid, which is great for smoothies or any kind of coffee like frappuccino or whatever beverage. You just put this lid and it's ready to go. And it also comes with a recipe book, which I feel like it's perfect. The possibilities with this blender are endless, so it is great that it comes with the recipe book because it gives you a ton of ideas. What I really like about this blender is that you can just put everything in the cup, blend it, and drink it or eat it from the same container, which I feel like is super great, especially because I love my protein smoothies in the morning, and I just love that I can get them ready in 10 minutes or less, which is great. And also the blades in this Magic Bullet are very powerful, and it's not gonna get stuck or whatever like others. And it's super easy to just twist the lid on, flip it, and reverse it, and it's put it into the power base and then push down. And that's it. It blends it, and this is everything it comes with. It's very also, I like that everything just matches together and everything just works great together. So here I'm just demonstrating how you push down and the blades go, and you can use it in whatever cup you want, the small one, the medium one, or the large one. And I just love that it also have the different lid options, which are just great. And here, for example, I was making a banana bread situation, and here it's just the preparation. And this mass is very thick, so I'm just demonstrating here how it blended everything perfectly, very fast. And I just been using it for the past weeks, and it just works really great. It's great for any household for quick blending, so definitely check this out if you love to cook or bake. It's great for any kind of preparation, smoothies as well, of course. And I just would highly recommend it. It works great.